When it comes to big screen home entertainment, LG's 100-inch laser TV is big news. So get ready for a truly amazing home theater experience. Unlike other projectors that have to be set up in the middle of a large room or suspended from the ceiling, the LG Laser TV is positioned just 22 inches from the lens to the screen, thanks to LG's ultra-short throw projection technology. This advanced laser-based illumination system brings you full HD 1080p resolution and brilliant picture quality, so anytime is a great time to sit back and be entertained. LG Laser TV is pretty impressive even before you turn it on. But the excitement gets real when you've got the LG Magic Remote in your hand. Press power and home, and you're instantly reminded that your Laser TV is also a very smart TV, bringing you the hottest movies, on-demand TV, Facebook and YouTube, games, the latest news, and more, bigger than you've ever experienced them before. LG Laser TV is the future of projection TV. The laser-based illumination system uses specialized lamps that can run for 25,000 hours without replacement. That's a lot of entertainment, but LG Laser TV with its 100-inch screen is also ideal for business and commercial use, for video conferencing and presentations and sporting events that really make an impression. Big is great. Brilliantly big? Now you're talking.